About each other. Salute here. Fighting stance, gentlemen. Good. Ready? Rematch. Up your legs around him, sir. Great. So don't turn your back on him, okay? I'll make him pay for that. Hold on a second. Fight. Gentlemen. One of these don't get in sooner or later. Break! Gentlemen, too close to the equipment. Ready? Fight. Great. Any kind of making you mad? No? I'd be mad. You know, it's my throat, you know what I mean? Fight. Keep your eyes open, Todd. Better. Now you're starting to dig in there. No, sir, break. Don't stop it.
Mixing it up.
No foot stomping though. Not here, not among each other, but any other time, sounds good. But so. Alright, ready? Fight. Fight, gentlemen. You're going to get them knees in sooner or later. That's what's going to happen with those knees. Break. Fight. Great. So you gotta remember, man, he might be a little stronger than me. That stuff, you grab my arm, I usually fly over, man, but he might be a little stronger than me. I'm just a person who gets beat up here all the time. Now you fight somebody, you know, when you fight somebody else, but are you stronger than him, sir? Sir, he said he's stronger than you. Are you stronger than him, sir? He said he's stronger than you. Well, fight! Pretty good though, because making me ball my fist up.
Oh.
Almost had him, almost dumped him. Let him turn around like that again, sir. Don't turn around, Todd. Turn around again like that, man. Put him in the choke. it right behind you. Put your leg over, sir. Can you get your leg over? Use those knees now. Perfect place to use those knees. Or you got the mount again now. Get your forearm in between your heads. Get your arm in between your heads. Slide your arm in between both of you guys' heads. Sir, break. I have to get set up using an arm bar, bro. I gotta look kind of smooth. Mad now, huh? Are you mad yet, sir? Good. Fight. Oh, that looked like break. There you go. That was a good kick, man. Continue. Push hard. Get the leg behind there, push hard. Break. Your helmet's choking. So if he bends his head down, sir, put him in the guillotine. Okay? So don't put your head down. Okay? Keep your head up. Fight. He has a few more fighting moves than you. He's been coming and fighting longer. Keep your head down. Open your back, sir. All the stuff that works on me. Oh, excellent, sir. Good takedown. All the stuff that works on me won't work on him, sir. That's just me. I'm the only person that stuff works on. Good choke, sir. Good smothering. Done. Put his hand down. Good, sir. I'm the only one that all that stuff works on, man. Last class, gentlemen. Best class. Fight. Your dad been working with you on some ground stuff, huh? At the house, huh?
That's all him.
Okay.
I'm surprised too.
Okay, I'm going for my team.
I'm surprised too. Oh.
So watch it fight.
Yeah.
That's what That's what it is. Great. Good swimming. Let his whistle fly out. Good. Neutral stance, gentlemen. Good. You want another shot at him, sir? You want another shot at him? You want another shot at him, sir? Okay. Right. This front kick started. Great. Neutral stance, gentlemen. No, sir, neutral. Yeah. You can give him another time. Bow to each other. Salute here. Shake hands, gentlemen. Goodbye.